been set for the battle between Dr Nandipha Magudumana and the state to unfold, as all parties have filed their papers in the Free State High Court. In its papers, the Department of Home Affairs, which is the sixth respondent in the matter, asserts that the application is not urgent. The department says the Director General was contacted on the 12th of April by the South African High Commission in Dar es Salaam that Tanzanian authorities had declared Magudumana, together with Thabo Bester, prohibited immigrants. Magudumana was there after given 3 days to leave the country by ship, aircraft, or any other means if she did not want to be brought before a magistrate in Tanzania. The department explains that it was decided that their handover by Tanzanian immigration officers to the South African High Commission in Tanzania would be done in line with the Tanzanian immigration laws. A legal expert believes Magudumana deliberately omitted the Department of Home Affairs.
I guess calculatedly or inadvertently, the attorneys of or the legal representatives of Dr Nandipha Magudumana, they omitted Department of Home Affairs or the ministry thereof or of the minister, on the basis that if the minister is cited or the ministry is cited, then most of the things or most of the facts would be unearthed or they will come to light. So they deliberately, as I said, omitted to cite them.
On the other hand, Magudumana is adamant that she was held against her will in Tanzania and that the South African authorities flouted their laws in order to evade the extradition procedures provided for in the SADC extradition protocol. In her responding affidavit, Magudumana describes the court papers filed by the Department of Home Affairs, the South African Police Service and the NPA, who are all respondents in her matter, as fatally defective. She says the contradictions in the affidavits filed by the respondents on where exactly she was arrested demonstrate the made-up nature of their defense. She also claims that it is clear from the respondents' answering affidavits that they colluded with the authorities in Tanzania to secure her forceful return to South Africa. Magudumana has the tall task of convincing the court that she was kidnapped by South African authorities in Tanzania. Mulete says the urgency of her matter no longer exists.
Now there's evidence that has been adduced to the effect that she has been arrested by the Tanzanian authorities. So remember, last time we said if she can be able to demonstrate that she has been arrested by South African members of South African police services, then her case would be, weighty. But due to the fact that evidence has come to light, to the fact that she has been arrested by Tanzanian authorities, then it means that her case is porous, as the magistrate said. Her case is porous.
Magudumana is the fourth accused in the matter of aiding and abetting Thabo Bester to escape from prison. She is also charged with defeating the ends of justice, fraud, arson, and violating a dead body. She was identified as the person who claimed the body of Katlego Bereng from a government mortuary for it to be used as a decoy in Bester's fake suicide. SABC News, Bloemfontein.